Hey everyone, having trouble with your T-Mobile app? You're not alone. Many users have reported the app crashing, freezing, or getting stuck, especially after updates. The most common reasons are memory leaks. The app uses too much RAM, compatibility issues with your phone's operating system, like older versions of Android, or even problems on T-Mobile's servers when they're super busy. A simple first step? Make sure you have at least 1 GB of free space on your phone. Also, force close the app and restart it. This clears temporary glitches and can often get things working smoothly again. Key takeaways: always check your phone's storage space, force close and restart apps when issues occur, and keep your app and operating system updated. Okay, so restarting didn't fix it. Let's dive a bit deeper. First, clear the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, T-Mobile, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. For iPhone users, you'll need to offload or reinstall the app entirely. Next, make sure your app and your phone's operating system are up to date. T-Mobile often releases updates to fix bugs. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. If it still doesn't work, try a different Wi-Fi network. If all else fails, try uninstalling and reinstalling the T-Mobile app. If the problem persists after all these steps, reaching out to T-Mobile support directly might be your best bet. There could be an account-specific issue.